Hi and welcome to Happy Kitty Kitchen. Today's recipe is the lazy cake, which is so decadent and chocolatey. It's the perfect dessert to treat yourself to after a hard day. The ingredients will be in the description box as usual and at the end of the video for you to screen capture and save. Let's get started by pouring milk into a pan and gradually heat it up and stir along the way. While waiting for the milk to heat up, start crushing your biscuits roughly into a bowl. Then we'll add in our cocoa powder into the milk, then sugar, and stir rigorously. We add in the butter and chopped up solid chocolate. We chop it up for it to melt quicker. You'll be stirring a lot for about 5 to 8 minutes to make sure everything melts in smoothly. Don't forget to give it a taste to determine if it needs more chocolate or if it needs more sugar, because everyone's palate is different and some people like it with less sugar. Don't let the film of cooled chocolate fool you. It's not ruined. It's not ruined. Just stir to make it go away. You don't want to pour scalding hot chocolate on the biscuits. It will make them completely dissolve and ruin the texture you're supposed to end up with. It will become all too mushy and soggy, so it's important that you wait for the chocolate to cool down. Then delicately fold in the chocolate to make sure it covers all the biscuits without being too rough so as not to crush the biscuits any further. Quick note, don't pour in all the chocolate sauce because that also will be your topping for the cake. Add in the chocolate sauce gradually. You don't want to end up with a soggy, over liquidy cake. If you've added in too much already like I did, crush more biscuits and integrate them into the bowl. Decide on the pan or mold that you want to put your cake into and pour the mixture in. Make sure to flatten it and push it down into the mold. I had enough to fill in one big mold and 2 small ones. If you're finding difficulty pushing the cake outside of the mold and it's falling apart, you could pop it into the freezer for 2 hours just so that it solidifies and will be easier to handle and push out on plate. Once you've plated it, pour over the chocolate sauce and you are officially done. Do let us know how it turns out, and if you like the recipe, like and subscribe for more. We have good stuff, people. Enjoy your lazy cake and have a great day from Happy Kitty Kitchen. Bye.